Oh, what's that? It's your mom. Someone didn't change the lower unit water pump on your boat. That's your responsibility. This is a video for a 1986 Mariner. It's a Mercury 150. And a lot of the videos I watched about these lower water pumps, there's a lot of them. People are like forcing the lower unit back on with like tie down straps and jack stands and trying to trim the motor down to force the lower in. Don't do that. I tried to do that and I fouled up the metal pipe that goes from the water pump to the head. There's a metal reciprocal sleeve in the head and the pipe, and if you have it not right and you force it, you'll mar up the pipe and it won't fit at all. Put the pipe in the head first, in that little reciprocal looking up it, and then put the lower water pump on with the pipe already in the head. It's not like that for most motors. Usually the pipe sits next to the crankshaft and it plugs into the water pickup with the crankshaft. So that is interesting. I haven't not seen that. So anyways, check this out. Boats are really fun with 150 horsepower motors on a 17-foot skiff. It is amazing. Is it getting cold out? I'm gonna try to put this water pump on that motor over there, and I've not done it before. I've did it on a Johnson 60 horse and a Yamaha 15, so I'm thinking it's similar, but I have to find the clutch control mechanism. Could be at the top like the Johnson, horrible pain in the butt. It could be in the middle like the Yamaha, that would be awesome. So I'll figure it out. Did some digging and it looks like it might just not even bolt on. The transmission might key into some sort of socket. So I'm just gonna try to take it off. So there's 5 bolts. Oh, it's dark. Liza, where's the light? Yes. So there's one here, one at the front. There's some underneath down here, right there. There's this cursed one. This one, very weird. I was able to get it off with a 13 millimeter. It's a 9/16, but 13 millimeter works, but that hole real tight. So get a very, very thin wall 13 millimeter, you should be all right. Now we're gonna take them all out and try to take the bottom.
But don't you have to take it off all the way?
There was another screw nuzzled right up here in the bottom. So a lot. Now we're coming off. So, and the clutch mechanism, this doesn't have that. It just comes off. So let's see what happens. Let's see if I've left enough space here. Liza, you think we're gonna work?
Yes.
Liza says it's gonna work. It's gonna work. We're just gonna wiggle her off.
Okay. Do you want to take off the wood thing?
Yes, remove the wood.
Oh.
Just barely enough space. We're at the bottom.
Wait.
Nice. Thanks, Liza. I don't know what that's for, but thank you.
I thought you wanted to put it under the fin.
All right. Here's the pump. Doesn't look too bad. Here's the output pipe. Don't break that. Here's the clutch control mechanism. This is what I've been trying to figure out. It just keys in like the crankshaft. Brilliant. Easy. Oh, a ladybug's in there.
Oh, no.
So now I'm going to clean all the surfaces, replace the pump with the new pump. Should be off to the races. All right. So we took these bits out and that bit. And we're going to do a sanity check. Where's our replacement pump? Christ, I just had it. There you go, sanity check. That looks pretty darn good. Cool. Come on out, come on. See, this rubber becomes stiff over time and stops being all bendy. Ooh. There's the old one. There's the new one. Look at that. These can get pretty hard. There's a shiv key in there. I lined up the azimuths of the Isaac Arthur, the angle of the pump with the angle of the shiv key on the shaft, and then I zip tie the shiv key to the shaft, and then you jiggle it, hold the shiv key on, it pops down. I'm much better at this. It took me forever to get this with the Johnson, so now we cut the zip tie, put the thing down, put the bolts on, and get her back together.
We breastfeeding women, you know, and every
It's a gig economy, come on.
yeah, they need to make money too, you know.
Yeah.
Struggling moms.
Someone order a lower unit. So, important. This can get stuck in the lower unit, and I found a fix for it, I think. This is the water pickup pipe. It's friction fitted into the engine up there. It pops out on the lower real easy, and then if you're trying to put the crankshaft, the drive shaft and that pipe up in here, the pipe will get jammed and you'll mess the end up. So don't do that. I trimmed the engine all the way up and I put the pipe in first, and then I'm going to line that up because that plastic sleeve is going to be a lot more forgiving than the metal and guideway that thing sits in. So give that a shot. Don't just smash it and put, I've seen people on YouTube put tie down straps around it. Don't do that. Oops. So that ended up working. Look at this. So I put the pipe, the pickup line pipe in there first, and then put the lower unit on that and got the clutch lined up. So now it's almost time for the water.